What's going on, everybody? If you are building your own coil, or if you bought a new one and you notice that it doesn't come with the spark plug attachment installed, not a big deal. You can remove the old spark plug boot. You notice that it has a screw. It actually screws in to the wire. So you would unscrew it from your old one. You know, if you've got a problem maybe with your coil and you're just replacing it with another new one possibly, or if you just have a reason to install new spark plug boot and spark plug cap and all that, you would unscrew it from the old one, and then with your new one, you know, slide the small boot down on the wire. I put a little bit of dielectric grease up around the connection, and see, it basically just has a screw inside there that's going to screw in screws right into the tip, if you're able to see that at all. Let's zoom in. There you go. See the bare wire in the center there. So that's all there is to it. You're just going to screw the bad boy right in the center of it. I used a pick and kind of spread it out. You know, spread the bare wire out some. Excuse the zooming issue there. But just press firmly and start screwing it down in there. You'll have to push pretty firm, you know, to get it started. And just keep on going. Just push in strongly while you're doing it. And that screw is basically going down in there, and it should get good and snug, you know, when it's done. When you've tightened enough, nice and firm. And you want to maybe make sure the boot is facing the direction you want it to, you know, depending on how you have it installed in the bike. If you know what I'm saying. So if it needs to be turned just a little bit more, you may have to, you know, crank on it just a hair more. And then if you want, you can put a little dielectric grease, you know, around in here just to keep moisture and everything out of there. And then just slide the boot on up until it's nice and tight. Good old push. And just keep on pushing until it makes a nice snug seal up in there. And that's all there is to it. But many people don't realize that this cap unscrews off of the spark plug wire. So if you had to maybe chop some off, you know, if you had a problem with the end of your plug wire, you could chop it off where you needed to, you know, after you've unscrewed the old one, and then screw it back on and maybe just get a nice fresh set of bare wire inside there. And no big deal. Anyway, I thought that was rather interesting that's all there is to it in mending or creating your spark plug wire. And so that deserves a good old ring of the bell, making spark plug wires. Check out our other videos. We got all kinds of stuff that you guys might enjoy or might help you when you're working on your bikes, ATVs, cars, lawnmowers, Harley Davidsons, motocross bikes, classic cars, stuff like that. We have all kinds of videos on our channel that may help you. So have a look, and you might find something you like. So that's it. Biker Dave here in the shop. Make sure you Google Horsepower House all over the internet, including our eBay store. Check it out. Y'all have a good day. We'll see y'all later.